Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Guhan Talks Still. In this episode, we're going to be talking about Tesla. And Elon Musk has been on the news lately with his controversial tweets, with his amazing memes, and a lot of other stuff. But we have to really get to know how this company was started and what Tesla is aiming at in the future. So in 2003, two people, Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, had this idea where they wanted to produce electrical vehicles for the market, and it was very early at that time because General Motors actually had a plan of doing this, because General Motors is a really big company and they have the power or the funding to do research on this stuff. So they had a program called EV1, so which I think electric vehicle development 1, and they did this only for 3 years from 1996 to 1999, and they shut down the project. And these two people were inspired by this concept where they wanted to try their own version of electric vehicles being launched to the market. And in 2003 they started this company, and they named the company in honor of Nikola Tesla, who was the actual epitome of electricity and the invention of alternating current. So they wanted to honor him on the company, and they did name the company Tesla. And in 2004, Elon Musk had already made his fortune through PayPal, and he literally invested $30 million into the company and brought stake into the company, and he took a charge as the CEO of the company. And in 2006 they launched their first car, which is the Roadster, and it was priced about $100,000. So $100,000 is actually a huge amount for any customer to buy, so which actually restricts a lot of the mass audience market, and it only has a population which actually is into race cars and is into sports cars. And the concept that Tesla had as a motive or a mission or a vision is they wanted to build a sports car, and with that profit they wanted to build an affordable car, and with that profit they'll build yet another affordable car, and in the future they wanted to go zero emission electric power generation technique. So this is what their ambition was in 2004 itself. And Roadster was priced at $1 lakh, which is equivalent to 75 lakhs in Indian price, which is like an extremely luxury product. And a lot of people bought that, and they literally built an affordable car after that. The pricing reduced from $100,000 to $70,000 and $60,000, and right now you can get a Tesla with basic features for around $40,000, and you can add on to a lot of different stuff as per you want. And right now, initially when Roadster was launched and the electric vehicle concept was around across the world, every single person used to charge the car in their own homes. So it would take around 24 hours to 48 hours to entirely ride 250 miles of radius from their home to whatever the place they wanted to go. And Tesla wanted to address this pain point, and they built supercharging stations, which actually provided Tesla owners free electricity to power up their cars. So they don't need to just charge at their home and go 250 kilometers or something and come back. So they wanted to have as much as supercharging stations as possible across the world. So right now they have around 1,000 supercharging stations across the globe, and they are expanding day to day. And this is one of the new things that they have done. And as per their module, their vision, the mission they have actually achieved it. And right now the third part is under construction, where they want to build a zero emission electricity power generation program, where they are trying to convert this company into a platform where renewable energy is one of the main things that they focus on. So that is why they renamed their company from Tesla Motors, which focuses more on motor vehicles, and they right now have this company's name called Tesla Incorporated, so which is a company that will feature more of electricity based brands or products or whatever that is that comes under the umbrella of Tesla, and that is how they are doing it. And in 2017 or so, Elon Musk being a part of another company also, SpaceX, which you might know, he wanted to make commercial space travel possible, so which was actually not approved by Neil Armstrong, who was one of Elon Musk's role models, which he felt really bad about. but he is doing it, and he is trying to incorporate every single technology that SpaceX is doing into Tesla to bring in more power, bring in more resources, and bring in more technology into the company to make Tesla even better, because Tesla is the number one brand right now in electric vehicle segment, because a lot of companies like Toyota and Ford or Maruti or Lamborghini, they don't have electric vehicle segment separately altogether, but people who are right now focusing on renewable energy as their main source of running, they are trying to focus more on electric vehicles, and Tesla is offering the product just for that. And Elon Musk in 2013, when they launched Falcon Heavy to space, they were trying to get a product that was very silly to be promoted or taken to space. So he reached out to his fans on Twitter saying, what is the one silly thing that you can say to me that I want to launch into space? And a lot of people have given him a lot of different ideas, and he finally decided that I'll send my own Tesla Roadster on the space. And right now, today, it is one of the biggest marketing things that he literally did, where he just launched his Tesla car into the payload and he set it free on the space. So it is still on the orbit, and the memes picked up, the media picked up on it, and a lot of other people started talking about it, and which brought a lot of brand awareness for this brand, because I got to know about Elon Musk and Tesla during that time when I was in college. And right now they have a lot of products in line. So they have Roadster, which they have discontinued after 2012 because they wanted to have a new set of sedans, and they launched Model S, Model X, and Model 3. And right now in 2019 they launched two different products, which is one of these products are a truck, a semi truck, which is entirely capable of running on its own, which is actually a nice product. They unveiled it. And they also have a pickup truck, which is a Cybertruck, and they launched it in 2019. And Elon Musk is a marketing genius, where he literally wants every product of his to become a meme. And he had this concept of bulletproof glasses and everything, where in the demo of the product on stage, it actually broke, and a lot of people talked about it, saying it was not the best, and which was actually a marketing strategy done by Tesla to get more stage time, more media exposure, more brand exposure from people who create memes. And it actually worked great, because in 2 or 3 days of the launch of the product, it had around 250,000 pre-orders, so which is insanely awesome, with no kind of marketing budget, but just having a launch event. So right now they also are building a thing called Solar City, where entire house will be placed with solar cells produced by Tesla, and the entire house can be powered through renewable energy, and they are working on it, and which is one of the prime focuses on their mission of how they are going to take Tesla as a company. And a lot of things are happening with Tesla, and Tesla is trying to infuse new technologies over and over so as to make the brand better. And it has actually said something in 2004, and it has been doing it and implementing it and making it successful in 2020. So let's see what Tesla has to offer in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video. I think that is pretty much it for the video, and I'll see you again in another one. Until then, this is Rajagovan signing off. Take care. Bye bye.